To access the interactive map, go to gcwa.qld.gov.au and then either click on this picture of the boat going across the waterway or down below where it says Speed and Behavior on our waterways. That'll take you to the main consultation page where you can access the strategy, report by the Australian Maritime College, or under Have Your Say, the online survey, or the interactive map. You can also use this link to register as a stakeholder or access these additional resources. The interactive map will open in a new window, and on the About panel you can find information such as that the existing speed limits are shown in solid colors using that red, green, yellow color system, and the proposed speed limits in a hatched pattern. Then we'll come up to the menu bar, use the bookmarks here to zoom in on the Moreton Bay Marine Park in this case, and you can get a clearer idea of how that hatching shows up over the top of the solid existing speed limits. There's also text here that explains the changes in a narrative fashion. You can click and hold the map, drag it to a new position, zoom in or zoom out using these tools over here, or if you're using a touchscreen device such as a tablet or a phone, you can do all that with your fingers. There's also a base map gallery down here if you want to, for example, load an aerial photo underneath. Looking at the map, you can see a proposal to change the existing 6-knot red area and the existing 40-knot green area in this location to the yellow variable zone. An important component of this strategy are proposed changes to that variable zone, reducing the vessel length from 8 meters to 6.5 meters, and the maximum speed from 40 knots to 25 knots. The next menu item is where you sign in, using the details that were sent to you in an email if you're a registered GCWA stakeholder, or your existing Google or Microsoft accounts. Once you click Login, map will reload, and you'll then be able to turn the comment feature on. So the next item here in the menu, just click to turn it on. Once you've done that, if we come back, for example, to that area of the marine park, you've already seen these circles here, the number in green indicating a thumbs up vote, and the number in red, a thumbs down vote. If you choose the red option, you'll also be asked to say what you think the speed should be in that area, and you can leave a comment if you want and read the comments that have been left for that area by other users. You can also turn on the multi-select function. If you do that, you'll be able to select several polygons, and you can then leave one comment that applies to all of those areas. But when you have that turned on, you won't be able to read the narrative comments, so turn it off when you're done. The dashboard tool shows you a summary of comments for different areas of the waterways, these areas corresponding to the different bookmarks. So thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs down, and comments. On the layer tool, you can turn various layers on and off. So if I come and click this home button, it takes me back to the default extent, and then turn off the current speed limits. I can see just the proposed changes. Make sure you turn that back on though, as it can interfere with the comment function. There's also a measurement tool as well as a sharing tool where you can let others know by email or social media about the interactive map. Thanks for your interest in the management of the Gold Coast waterways. We hope you'll provide us with some feedback through the online survey, the interactive map, email, post, or phone. Happy International GIS Day.